Hello everyone, welcome to the another brand new video for today. Basically on this video we are particularly discussing about dust control mops, their sizes, and the demo video, like how you can use and how you can properly handle the dust control mops. Okay, and about the procedures and the rules and regulations I have already mentioned on my other video. I'll put that link on my description. You can go and check it out, that video as well. So here we are going to discuss about the samples of the dust control mop, and the first picture, as you can see, there is a picture, or what you call this, the sample of dust control slip, how it looks like. And second thing you can see over there is dust control mop full set. Okay, and the third one is the frame of your dust control mop, and third and fourth is the same, and the last one is about dust control mop with the different sizes. Okay, we can use our dust control mop as per our require. Okay, some dust control mops we can get about 60 centimeter, some will be like 120 centimeter, some will be like 90 centimeter as well. So as you can see in the picture, we have the different sizes of dust control mop. As per our requirement, we can use our dust control mop for our easiness to work. Okay.